classic chocolate cakey recipe. Ingredients: Aiza, for cake. Maida, 30 cup cocoa powder, 30 cup chini, 2 cup baking powder, 1 baking soda, 1 spout namak, 1 tampande, 2 bear-sized K, milk, 1 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 cup vanilla essence, 2 tomp hot water, 1 cup. For frosting: butter, unsalted, 1 cup softened, icing sugar, 3.5 cup cocoa powder, 1/2 cup salt, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 teaspoon heavy cream or milk, 1/4 cup. Method. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 350°F, 175°F. C. Grease and lightly flour 2 9-inch cake pans. Add flour and butter paper. 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, sift together flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. 3. Add wet ingredients Karen. Add milk, oil, and vanilla essence and beat with a beater for 2 minutes until a smooth batter is formed. 4. Add hot water. Carefully add hot water and mix. Batter will be a little thick, but the cake will be moist. 5. Bake. Pour the batter equally into both pans and bake for 30-35 minutes. Check with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, then IR high. 6. Thandahondane. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then remove it to a wire rack to cool completely. 7. Frosting tayar karain. Beat the butter until creamy J. Then add icing sugar, cocoa powder, and salt and mix. Add vanilla and cream and beat well until fluffy. 8. Assemble the cake. Place 1 layer, then frosting. Apply, put another layer, and apply frosting on top and also on the sides.